Hello folks, and welcome to Mid-Towne Auto Center, where today I want to talk to you about a 2019 Ford Transit T-250 with only 386 miles. It has a 3.2 liter diesel engine. As you can see, it is super clean. Put the hood down. Alright, check out the grille, hood, and windshield. You'll see there are no dents, dings, scratches of any kind. This van's in immaculate shape. It is the high roof, so you can actually stand up and walk around in there. You got your wheels, tires, knee deep in tread. Coming around here to the interior. You got power windows, power locks, gray cloth interior. It looks like it's hardly been sat on. Alright. Over here you have your light control, your power mirror controls. Climbing on the inside, you can see right there it says $397, so I was close. All right. Oh, gotta close the door. Right here you have your climate control. You have your USB down there. It is automatic transmission. Here's your AM FM radio. It does have Bluetooth, and it has backup camera, which is hard to see, but there you can tell. Alright, so now I'm going to climb to the back by going this way. Alright, as you can see, there's tons of room for me to stand up in here and show you how much storage you can have. Right there's your driver and passenger seat. Up here you got some more room for storage. You have the sliding door over here on the left. On my left, if you're facing towards the back. Slides open, which I'll show you more in just a moment. And then you have the double doors out the back, which is the way we're going. Alright, coming through back here, you can see how much room you do have. It has the Power Stroke Turbo Diesel. Alright. Coming on around. Here's your sliding door. Slides open. And it's a massive opening. Alright. Well folks, that's all I have for you today. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to view our video. If you'd like to see this or any of our other low mileage inventory, please go to mtaceautos.com or give us a call at 513-420-0000. Thank you and have a blessed day.